Hey everybody, it's Amanda.
And it's Mike.
And we are the
Hives Do Disney.
Welcome back. I always say this, so it doesn't even matter anymore, but I'm super excited for today's video. It's Thursday, we're cooking. What are we cooking, Mike?
We are making Mickey Beignets.
I'm so excited. We bought a special Mickey Mouse cookie cutter, basically, off of Amazon. I will link that down below if you want to try this recipe for yourself. Obviously, the recipe will be in the description below. We are filming it a little bit differently today though, so please bear with us. I'm not sure how it's gonna work out. You ready to cook?
Yeah, let's do this.
All right, let's go. Okay, we've got our Mickey beignets. They look fantastic. We have powdered sugared a couple of them to try. We're gonna bring these to my parents' house, but basically your next step would be to just take your powdered sugar and
Powder them up.
powder them up. So, should we show them what they look like?
These are Mickey Beignets. Nice and Mickey shaped powdered sugar.
They came out okay.
Came out pretty good. I think they're gonna taste just as good as well. So why don't you go ahead and take one and eat it?
Okay.
See, let me know how it goes. Let's bring it back to the French Quarter.
It does.
Because that's the only good place to get them. If you don't go there, then you're wrong.
Looking at you, Disneyland. I wish that they were warm because these ones have been sitting for a little while, but
Yeah, this should be good.
they look good.
Looks like French Quarter beignets.
So we've made these before.
Yeah, but we use the box.
We used the box mix from French Quarter. The answer is obvious. But Mike, did you like our recipe that we made or the box mix better?
Ours?
It's really good.
I mean, the box mix wasn't bad, but they just tasted like a box mix.
This one is nice and airy and yummy. Yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend. These are delicious.
So these aren't like a Disney official beignet, but
they're Mickey shaped, so it counts, right?
yeah, I mean it counts because they're Mickey shaped. But beignets are beignets, really. Obviously, it's a French recipe, in the French, you know, if you go to the French Pavilion, you can get a beignet.
And they suck.
And they're stuffed with hazelnut, which is delicious, the hazelnut, but they're not that good.
So thank you guys so much for watching. Let us know down below if you've had the beignets from either Disneyland or from France and Disney World or at the French Quarter, which is the prime spot to get them. And tell us what you think. Would you want to try this recipe at home? You know, we love talking with you guys in the comments. So definitely leave a comment down below. If you are not subscribed to our channel, definitely make sure to subscribe. We are closing in on 250.
Yeah, 250.
I am so proud of us. Let's go. And we're just super thankful for you guys. So I guess with that, we will see you on Monday for a Disney video and Thursday for a cooking video.
Peace.
Bye.
These are, oops.
Wow, Mike almost just lost one.